Hello everyone. Welcome to the task 7 video submission. Here we will be looking at how to develop a carousel for the homepage using Tertiary CSS and JavaScript. So in the previous video we showed a much nice, big, attractive dashboard or homepage for a website called Skill Shop that sells skills. So we will recap what we have done so far. We created a sign up and sign in UI, created a database, connected it all, gave our credentials into the sign up, then signed into it with the sign in. At the same time we added a remember me and forgot password add-on that sends an email. Once the email is received, you take the verification code from it and go and reset your password. And at the same time, we also added a cookie system that, for the remember me, that saves a cookie, a custom cookie, when a user logs in and has ticked the remember me. But we did not have a homepage UI, so that was done in the task 6 in the previous video. And now we have a carousel, or more like a slider in the home page that captures the user's attention. So we will go into it right now. So this is the carousel we're talking about. As you can see, it says the same thing here because we have copied it several times, but there are actually 6 boxes and it flips from each. It's not going one by one, it just shows all 3 on each side, one by one. We will change the code and show that. Let's get into it. So this is all. There are 2 buttons at the bottom, actually dots, that we can move left, right. We also have 2 arrows. So this could be moving constantly. As you can see, it gradually moves with the time as well, back and forth. So that is done using JavaScript. We will look into that at the end. So yes, we have our let's get into it right now. I'm going to minimize these. So we have this section, the featured carousel section, from section to section to close section, this whole part, and as well as the JS for it. So let's get into it. So featured carousel, we'll open it up. So the components, and through all of it one by one. So first off, there's nothing special here. There is no if the session is running to check, or if the account type is different. No, there's none of that in this. This is only for this can be there for the vanilla website with no user signed in or signed up yet. They will say this no matter what. So created a carousel container. Class flex meaning it's horizontal, so it's like this instead of upwards. So that's that. And we've just taken this and pasted it 6 times. And we've used the images from unsplash.com source, because if not, for each one we will have to use assets, which just makes the project file a lot flatter. So as you can see here, we use production. So we'll actually change one of these to something else. We'll make it let's just put test analytics. Make this cyber security and save it. As they were all the same, it was kind of confusing. So we'll change this as well to something else. We'll make it website, refresh it. As you can see, web development, mobile development, UX, and then there is actually a small issue over here. Sorry, we are back again. So there was an issue with our JavaScript. So based on all of this, what makes it move is the JavaScript. Sorry, we went over the navigation buttons. So the navigation buttons are set to be hidden. And on hover, the opacity increases. Actually, it's not hidden. The opacity is quite low. But when you hover over it, it increases to 100. The indicators or the dots, carousel dot, and we also so over here we should hear was the total items didn't match, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, and it said 6, so I changed it and it came up. So this first section actually just gathers all the information, gives it variables, assigns them, and then we have the sliding part. So if the current slide is over, the next slides it can't work, and if they match only they can work. So then we have the update carousel, which updates with the new one every time we click it, so that it gets loaded and transitions smoothly. The same happens with the dots as well. And then this section we use to auto slide every 5 seconds. So it says set interval and 5000. So because we use milliseconds in JS, we have to do 5000. These are for transitions to move the slider much easily, and also to have the next one loaded. And this is actually this section is there to make the slider match whatever device that we're using. So be it a PC, be it a mobile phone. This section makes it switch the size based on the device without having any issues bugging out or just crashing the website. So that is all for the carousel or the slider section.